snowmobile season starts again. Right now. Leap. We're having at it. Literally shot the opening clip. Went to see if we were good, if I got it, if we needed to crack another deer, which is always tragic.
Oh, it's terrible.
But
it is a weeknight.
It is a weeknight, but we got it done and we're ripping into it. The guys are going. What our goal is tonight we're going to get the track, the skid, the drive shaft out.
Why? We just put it in the last video.
Because I'm a complete moron and I wrecked the motor mounts.
And we still have to clean the carbs.
I take full responsibility. Yeah, simple carb cleaning job gone crazy.
Carbs, broke the mounts.
So we're going to get the motor mounts in the ones that are in the tunnel that are inaccessible when the track is in. We're going to get them out. And then we're going to kind of drop the motor mount plates into place. We're probably going to take them off the motor. Make sure I got the holes in the right spot. We have this funny feeling since we wrecked the mounts that we don't. And then after that, we'll fix the holes, which may involve TIG welding. So that's where we're going tonight, folks.
That'll be episode 2. Oh no, we're on.
This is I think this is episode 9 already. Episode 9 of the world's simplest engine swap. Oh wait, no it's not. Carb cleaning. Carb cleaning.
Yeah.
Hey Matt, come here. My buddy Matt's up here from Alabama. He's a Jeep guy, so he came over to see the Jeep stuff. So I don't know. You want to say a word or two?
Not really.
All right. I just wanted him to hear your accent so that Jethro down in Georgia can know that other Southerners also come to my shop.
Well, I guess Savannah, you can't really consider that Southerner, can you? They're like the high-end Southerners over there.
Oh, well, they're in Georgia.
Yeah.
You know, everything south of the Mason-Dixon for us. You know.
Still better than Minnesota, maybe?
Nothing's better than Minnesota, buddy. We go snowmobiling here.
Brakes are failing, Nutter.
Brakes are slipping?
No, it's just like Lonnie's truck.
It's an epic fail.
It's like Lonnie's truck.
Yo.
Oh! Did we not put fluid in the brakes?
We never put fluid in it.
I got a little bit there. Are you holding?
Ready?
Yeah.
I thought we put fluid in there. I like this. I like the vice grip action though, Brad.
That's in honor of
very clever. I don't know.
Vice grip garage.
Some guy that has 1 million viewers and can give an F about us. Yeah, we're not worried about him.
Take the brakes off.
He doesn't need a plug.
We plug him, he plugs us?
I don't think so.
All right. Cheers.
Y'all are talking about plugs. I guess y'all don't get into your
mom
mom joke.
It's a half inch, ain't it?
Your mama? You got
plugs, so we're gonna plug your mom.
there you go.
Yeah, we get into those. And the blonde
No,
jokes.
well.
Oh yeah.
I told a few the other day, and it was like I was outcast. They weren't fans.
Or was it
around
12 in
here.
the 10?
Oh man, you're gonna.
Minnesota
People are gonna watch this video and like demand the man from Alabama come back if you start telling jokes.
Hey, you done over
They
there?
love that.
Lonnie's got these 4 out.
Grit your teeth harder.
Gotta hold your mouth right.
Hold your mouth right.
Come loose.
Screwdriver, please. Metric.
Wife's home. We don't slow down. She's just home.
He's got to try something.
All right, ready? Gears coming out.
What program is doing it?
Windows.
Windows?
Windows XP.
Excel, yeah.
Windows, yeah.
All right, well, that one is. There we go. Come on. There we go.
We got to get this bearing off, butter.
Okay.
Top one, no. Bottom one would be best if it came off, yeah. It'll come
Put
off.
it right here.
Oh, it's got that little locking
Yeah, you got to loosen the set screws.
Yeah. Can we get to
Oh,
that?
did we actually get them
That
tight?
bottom one you got.
Yeah, let's get the
Once we get,
let's get
we
the
can push
skid.
that to the-
Well, we get the skid out, and then we can get to that a little bit.
All right. So now we gotta get the drive shaft out of there. Jack shaft's got to come out first, though, right?
No, jack shaft can just sit right where it is.
We're not gonna take the brakes apart then.
We got to take the brakes off. Yes, the brakes got to come up. Just take the bolts off
Okay.
and lift the brakes up. We might have to take a hose off to get the brakes up.
We can't just slide it out with the.
Oh yeah, that's true. You could leave the brakes sitting there, and it'll just slide. You have to take the bolts out, but you can leave the brakes sit there. Because you can let the brakes not go with the chain case.
Got it.
Don't worry, we're not waiting on you.
I know that.
Yeah, I still can't get to that bolt.
Which one's that? Is that screw?
Oh, this one. It's not.
Yeah, don't get to that nut on the jack shaft. We're gonna leave that one.
We are?
Yeah,
Yep.
So I could have left these two?
yeah.
That's shit.
You want to get it out?
Right?
Why'd you even take them off?
Damn.
Well, that was like step.
Extracurricular activities.
Just wanted to make sure the wrenches were working.
Matt's like right into this. He's heckling with everybody.
I'm touching a snowmobile.
Right?
Oh,
Hey,
you
right
gotta
on.
come over
Yeah.
and ride it.
Yeah, wait till you come up and you're gonna have to come up in February.
When we
No,
get
don't
started.
do it.
I've been up here in January and February a couple times.
Must have been before you met
Hey,
me.
let's go sledding, and there's no snow.
We don't need
There's snow in February
Bitch
usually.
about it all the time until I show up, and it's like, oh, it's just an off year.
Then you got to go north.
Well, we only have off years 8 out of 10. So,
We're driving this across the yard, snow or not.
oh, we're grass dragging this as soon as it runs.
Oh my god.
We're gonna drop the needles and grass drag it.
Bomb.
Do
Hell
you
yeah.
still need this on?
Never mind.
There's the socket
I got
you're
it.
looking for, Lonnie. Lonnie,
It's in the wrong place.
Somebody needs to put their cheaters on when they.
which hole you working on? Wait, that's not it, Lonnie. Wrong hole, wrong hole, wrong hole.
Yeah, that's what she said.
It's the one on the outside back.
Those are already done.
Oh, well, if that's the
That's gotta
fourth.
come loose.
No, it doesn't. If that's Lonnie, the fourth hole is entirely imaginary. You must have got all 3 already, and that's
How are you gonna pull that chain case if you
that
didn't
one.
take
No, that one doesn't connect to
That's
anything.
because he used to have goats.
From goats. You got this one, you got this one, and you got the one in the middle on the back.
Yep.
That one you're working on right there, it does not hold the chain case on. That one, if it had the optional reverse, would be used for something, but it doesn't, so it's not.
Okay then.
What are you yelling at him about?
He's taking off the one inside, the mythical fourth chain case hole that Polaris doesn't have.
Everything's loose.
Can I offer you a pry bar?
1980s technology right
That'd be good.
Simply.
Try this, Lonnie.
there. So that's
Get this shim off.
suspension.
Oh, so then everything else.
Yeah, that looked about right. Yep, just don't pry on the
Sometimes
disc.
they're locked up and rusted.
Well, it's a coil over, so it's a little stronger.
What's that?
It's a coil over, so it's a little stronger.
Yeah, a little stronger. You can adjust that.
Let's do, should we do a double whammy on the pry bars? Here, what else do we got?
She's coming.
You got it? What, she's doing what, Lonnie?
Here's your two.
Hang on, this thing went telephoto on me.
She's coming.
What's it doing over there, Lonnie?
She's coming.
All right. Well, that ought to be
That's
enough.
enough. That's far enough.
That's enough, Brad. Just pull on the, reach into the track and pull on the drive shaft. You might have to take the lugs
Should come loose.
off, but you should be able to pull the drive shaft towards you.
Get this shaft out. There you
A
go.
little more. Oh, that's it. That's as far as it goes.
We got to get that.
All right, now we got to get these set screws right here. We got to get these loose.
You can leave it right there.
Back in. Yeah, this fucking loose is in the way.
All right, get that thing off.
That's why we're old school koozie users.
Fancy.
Not just slide it
Yeah.
off.
Woo.
You hold your pinky out too.
Yeah. Well, as much as I can since it's been broke.
It went above 60 degrees. We pulled out the
It don't
koozies.
hold out any straighter than that.
Push the drive shaft in and pull the bearing out, and things should come apart.
And it's just tight.
Well, it's coming off. Oh, what? It is a little tight.
It was tight when we put it on.
Yeah, I remember
Pry bar?
Yes.
No, I think we just gotta lift up on the track.
Yeah, give it a try with one.
that. There's not room for the pry bar.
Now she moved.
Oh, she's off.
Oh.
All right. Grab the drive shaft out.
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
Nope.
It's gotta go your way.
Yep, it's got to go towards Lonnie. That's why we had to.
Toward me first.
That's why we had to take the chain case loose. There we go.
Okay. Drive shaft's out.
Pull it up like a trophy fish. There we go.
Get out. Oh, watch your booty there.
All right.
Watch your booty, folks.
All right. Progress has been made, and none of it by me. The guys just tore into this thing, but
Been sitting here for 2 months.
it's been sitting here for 2 months. So
Could have done this.
we tore these. You probably remember it from part 8, because part 8 was only like 2 weeks ago. So now we can get to those, to the backside, get them out, and get the new ones in. All right, Lonnie, what's the issue?
The issue is you got my son to go to meeting jeans dirty.
Oh, damn it. Are we going the most southern drawl that's ever been in a snowmobile video?
Nope.
More than Jethro's got.
Gotta get this thing back in.
That thing's got to go in?
Yeah.
If you need help putting that shaft back in, I can call my buddy's mom, Patty. She's good at guiding shafts right on in.
We're going to call old Patty.
Patty melt in here.
Patty melt.
There you go. There you go. We got to get more southern boys into sledding.
Yup.
We can't find those motor mounts anywhere in the shop. Anywhere. We're looking all over. Did anybody look at the sled? Well, look at that. I wonder what that nut's holding on and that nut. So we think we found the motor mounts. Brad's got the socket. Here.
Take this side, I'll hold that.
Yeah.
Watch water.
All right. Top one first. Ready? All right. So we're debating here. Let's see what we got, Brad.
Yeah, no.
Ooh, that looks like perhaps a trip to Dennis Kirk is in order.
Yeah.
All right. Those are done and gone.
Where do those go?
All right, we're gonna wrap her up pretty quick. We'll bring you back and talk you through the ending. Don't crack your beers, boys. We got a beer crack coming.
Get in here, big guy. There you go. Ready?
All right, so we're ending this video with the need for a parts run. We aren't going to use those shitty motor mounts. We thought we might, but we're not. So we'll bring you back next time. We're going to have those motor mounts bolted in. We're going to take the straps off the bottom of the motor and get the holes lined up right in the bulkhead. Maybe some TIG welding, maybe not. We'll see how things look when we get them lined up. But until then, thanks to the boys for coming over. Thanks for special guest Matt for giving a.
Thank you.
We got the most southern drawl between Matt and Lonnie ever in a snowmobile video. Top it, Todd. Give it a try.
Yeah, buddy.
I know Jethro's wishing he was here. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave me some comments. Check out our Patreon page for the behind the scenes and early access. And we'll see you at the Princeton swap in about 7 weeks, I think.
Oh my God.
Yeah, buddy.
We're heading there.
See y'all later.
Okay, Miss Farley. Good.